Hey guys, welcome back. Let's talk about site speed optimization. When it comes to speeding up your WordPress site, one of the most confusing pieces of advice in my experience is that you have to eliminate render blocking resources. What does that even mean? I'm going to show you in this video what it means and how to fix it as easily as possible. First, we have to understand the problem. When a user visits your site, their browser reads your website's code from top to bottom. Think of it like cooking a meal. You want to serve the main dish, or maybe the dessert, as fast as possible to keep your customers happy. And that dish is your content. You want to serve that as fast as possible to your visitors to keep them happy. But render blocking resources slow down the entire process, and your content cannot continue loading until those resources are done with what they're doing. Examples of render blocking resources include Google Fonts, non-critical CSS style sheets, JavaScript code from Slider or Gallery plugins. There are lots and lots, and you've done nothing wrong if they exist on your site. This is just how this stuff is coded. Another way to do this is to add one of two different HTML tags to the resource's HTML code, and that's async and defer. Async tells the browser to download whatever this is in the background and run it whenever you want. This is fast, but it can break things because files might load out of order. Defer is the safer choice. It tells the browser download this in the background, but wait to run it until the HTML is finished. This respects the order of files on your site and keeps your site from breaking. And now that you've completed my crash course in render blocking resources, let's apply this new learning to your site using WPRocket. WPRocket is the best set it and forget it solution that I've ever used for handling all the tricky stuff automatically. This plugin is a lot more than just eliminate render blocking resources, and unfortunately it's not free, but you get what you pay for. This plugin is powerful. You can check out their website using the link at the top of the description down below. What WPRocket excels at is taking this complicated thing of speeding up your WordPress sites and reducing it down to a set of simple checkboxes. All you have to do is check the boxes. WPRocket does all the work. For eliminating render blocking resources, this is how we do it. First, we install WPRocket on a website. Then we go to the File Optimization tab. And here we check three different boxes. The first one is remove unused CSS. The second is load JavaScript deferred. And the third is delay JavaScript execution. And then we save it and we're done. That's it. And instead of just blindly deferring everything, WPRocket is going to analyze your specific site to see which scripts are safe to delay and which ones need to load immediately. It's like having a real person look at your code. And this does take a little bit of time. 10, 15, 20 minutes. So if you go and speed test your site right after you save these changes, it's not going to be a whole lot faster because it takes WPRocket some time to do this work. And then it takes some time for Google PageSpeed Insights cache to be cleared, potentially, depending how many times you speed test. So the results may not be instant, but you will have them within a few minutes. And that's how easy this whole process is with WPRocket. And in case you're interested in learning more about WPRocket, I have a complete walkthrough of all of its features in the video on your screen right now. So check that out if you want to. And if you want to dive right in and get WPRocket for your websites immediately, just click the link at the top of the description down below and sign up. And that is an affiliate link. So if you end up signing up through that, I do get a credit. It does not make it more expensive for you. It just helps me keep making these videos for free on YouTube. I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.